Hi guys, I'm James Blick, co-founder of Devour Tours, and thank you for checking out this page about our digital recipe book. Thank you for your curiosity and wanting to find out more. I wanted to just record a short video to tell you guys why we decided to make this digital cookbook, what's inside, and who has made it. So why did we decide to make it? Well, Devour, like the rest of the world, is trying to navigate and figure out a way through this coronavirus crisis. And really, this was a way for us to create something that, while our tours are suspended across Europe because we can't get out, we can't take people, obviously, to visit our wonderful vendors and feed them wonderful food, we wanted to create something that would really help support Devour through these, what are going to be very, very lean months to hopefully come out on the other side. So that was one of the key reasons why we created it. The other reason why we created it is that, you know, this is a time when we're all stuck in our houses, social distancing. It's a time when, one, we want to connect with the rest of the world, we want comfort, but it's really challenging to do so, and we're spending a lot of time in our kitchens. And so as passionate foodies, as people that love to cook and eat, we wanted to create something from our hearts, from our kitchens, that we could share with all our past and future guests who are wonderful devourers, curious food lovers, so that you guys can cook in your kitchens and share that with your families, with your loved ones who you're in your homes with. So you can make wonderful dishes to eat well and share the love. Now, who put this together? Where did this cookbook come from? What's in there? These 50 plus recipes have been compiled from people in Devour, people who collaborate with Devour, our staff, our guides, our vendors, the small businesses we go to. All these recipes are from the cities across Europe that we visit, and they all represent the culture of each place. It's a wonderful thing that we've all come together in a very short space of time to put together, to put all our passion and soul and love into, to create this fantastic digital recipe book. And what's inside? Well, as I say, there's over 50 recipes from across the different cities that we offer tours in. From Spain, we have tortilla de patatas, we have gambas al ajillo, we have salmorejo, delicious creamy salmorejo, perfect for the coming spring and summer months. We have the wonderful Basque cheesecake from San Sebastian, all dishes that we have on our tours that we want you to enjoy in your homes. What else have we got? We've got from Lisbon, we have the bifana, which is just the perfect kind of hangover snack if you've been drinking a little late in lockdown. We also have the wonderful pastéis de nata, which is one of my favorite tastes on our tour there, that yes, you can now make at home. From Rome, we have a wonderful tiramisu recipe from Abby, our local operations manager, her mother-in-law. It's her recipe, so it's from her mother-in-law's kitchen. We also have a fantastic carbonara recipe, really kind of soul cooking there. From London, we have toad in the hole. We have pea and ham soup from Shabby, our operations manager there. From France, we have classics like onion soup and beef bourguignon. I probably pronounced that wrong. And so as you can see, we have wonderful recipes from across the spectrum of our tours. And what's also amazing is that in the recipe book, there's commentary from our team about what they love about the different recipes. So it gives you that context, not just a bunch of instructions for how to put the dish together. There's also links to videos in there where team members have described why they're passionate about these dishes. So guys, I would love you to click that link and download this digital recipe book. It will be a massive support to us here at Devour Tours and helping us get through these months and helping us get out on the other side, come out on the other side of this, so that we can continue our mission of connecting curious travelers such as yourselves, wonderful foodies, with local culture and local food and local people in a way that really helps that local culture thrive. And so if you do buy it, also, when you're cooking, take a photo of the dishes that you cook. We would love to see them. So take some photos, share them on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, mention us at Devour Tours and use the hashtag DevourCooks. That way we'll see it and we can share it as well. We're really looking forward to connecting all our kitchens together in this really challenging time for everyone, sharing the love. And guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you in Europe soon. Bye-bye.